The EKXBike GTS X22 electric bike is built for riders who demand extreme power, long-range capability, and true off-road performance in a rugged and modern machine. Designed for adventure seekers and high-performance enthusiasts, this electric motorcycle style of bike combines aggressive acceleration, durable construction, and all-terrain stability to deliver an exciting riding experience on virtually any surface. At the heart of the GTS X22 is a massive 8000W brushless motor engineered to provide explosive torque and rapid acceleration. This high-output system delivers the strength needed to conquer steep hills, rough trails, and demanding off-road environments with ease. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 85 km per hour, the bike offers thrilling performance while maintaining smooth and stable power delivery across different riding conditions. Supporting this impressive performance is a high-capacity 72V 30Ah lithium battery designed for long-distance riding and reliable energy output. The large battery capacity allows riders to explore farther without frequent recharging, making the bike ideal for extended adventures, outdoor exploration, and high-performance commuting. Its efficient power system ensures consistent performance even under heavy load and challenging terrain conditions. The GTS X22 is designed with durability and comfort in mind. Built around a strong aluminum alloy frame, the bike offers excellent structural strength while remaining relatively lightweight for improved handling and maneuverability. The robust frame construction is engineered to withstand the demands of aggressive riding and off-road use, ensuring long-term reliability in rugged environments. Equipped with wide fat tires, the bike delivers superior traction, stability, and shock absorption across surfaces such as dirt, gravel, sand, mud, and uneven terrain. These oversized tires help improve balance and rider confidence, while also contributing to a smoother and more controlled ride. Combined with the bike's elevated ground clearance and stable riding geometry, the GTS X22 maintains excellent control even at higher speeds or on challenging trails. The user-friendly design makes the bike accessible to a wide range of riders, from experienced off-road enthusiasts to newcomers seeking a powerful and eco-friendly transportation option. Its intuitive controls and responsive handling allow riders to focus on the adventure while enjoying the benefits of electric performance and long-range capability. With its combination of extreme motor power, durable construction, extended riding range, and all-terrain capability, the EKXBike GTS X22 stands out as a high-performance electric bike built for riders who want freedom, excitement, and the ability to push beyond ordinary limits on every ride.